How to customize Samsung Internet Assistant menu link App Pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on assistant menu. So make sure assistant menu button is turned on. So after turn on assistant menu button, click on select apps and show control menu with. So after click on select app, so if you want to customize internet assistant menu, so you will see Samsung internet is here. So if you want to set customize, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen and click on assistant menu. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize Samsung Internet Assistant menu link App Pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.